cut out a circle with diameter 9 cm and later draw another circle with diameter 6 cm inside it. I'm folding this paper like this to get more than one circles in a single cut so that you can avoid consuming more time. Draw a semicircle with radius 1.8 cm and then cut it out. I have made another white colored one to show you how to stick it in a correct order. After sticking the last piece of paper, look for the first piece of paper that you have pasted and mark it as 1 and 2 on each side. And the second paper you pasted as 3 and 4 respectively. Then you have to mark like this: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and finally 12. Now you have to stick it according to the order written on the paper. Fold the paper as shown and draw a half butterfly on it. Stick the butterflies on the globe according to your desire.